Yeah. Hello guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Screen is not sharing.
Okay, I'll share the screen. So in today's class, we'll speak about a bean life cycle and the stages. Okay, about component and annotation, configuration annotation. Okay, uh, and we'll see every annotation. Okay, and what how the beans are created, how the beans are destroyed, how the IOC container is created. Okay, we'll see the whole thing. Okay. Guys, is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Bean life cycle. Hmm. Guys, what is bean? Chappan I want someone to answer this. I gave very clear definition, when while creating those applications, right? Yeah,
Java object.
yeah, but not exactly. Inka? Hmm. Sumant, Prashant, నువ్వేం చెప్తావా?
అవి ఒక జావా క్లాసే కదా, దానికి రన్ టైమ్ లోనే మనం ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Yeah, see, bean is nothing but a Java object, but there is bean is nothing but a Java object, right? But there is some difference between Java object and that bean.
Generally, when we annotate anything with at the rate service, at the rate repository, it will create a bean in IOC container.
Yes, yes. See, this bean is a Java object which is managed by Spring container or IOC container. Okay.
Yeah.
See, basically, object means we used to create, right?
Yes, we used to be.
But here we won't create. Okay, which will be created by the framework. Okay, or IOC container. Okay. పెద్దయిపోతుందా మరి? ఓకేనా స్క్రీన్?
Yes, it's okay. కొంచెం తక్కువ చేసినా ఏం కాదు.
ఓకే 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 ఇదన్నమాట. ఓకే, and IOC container contains all the beans which are created by the framework. Antena? Okay, guys, so far is it clear?
Yes.
Now tell me how to create a bean. Okay, framework అయితే create చేస్తుంది. As we all aware, framework will create the bean. Okay, which whosoever has annotations, service controller, rest controller. Okay, but on the high level, how to create a bean?
@bean annotation వాడతాం.
Yeah, that is one way. Yeah, that is one way. But see, Samantha, why I didn't teach these things before going for a basic application? Means, see, if I directly teach theory, I feel it won't be much interesting. So, as we already completed one sample application, now we are comfortably able to understand what is service, what is control, right?
Right.
Yeah. So, on the high level, how to create a bean? Japanese. So, what Prashant told is one way. That is second way. Using @bean. Guys, what is the first way?
Component.
Component. Yes. But my question to you guys, okay, we told component and bean, right? But in the sample application, we haven't used component anywhere, right? But how the beans are created, and we haven't used bean anywhere. How the beans are created? How, guys? Is my question making sense?
At the high level, you are asking, right? By not using annotations, you are asking.
No. See, these two are also annotations.
Yes, yes.
Like controller, service, repository, these two are also annotations. But
Yes,
in the first application, I haven't used any of these two annotations. But how come the beans are created and how come the beans are injected?
Auto-wire whatever.
Yeah, AutoWire వాడాను. Then at the time, Spring Framework will scans all the variables, and whosoever has AutoWire annotation, it will inject the respective bean. But the first thing is, without using these two annotations, how the beans are created in the IOC container? Guys, is my question is clear, Sumant? అర్థమైందా question?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Anything,
If my question is clear, then I'm happy. Yeah. Now you guys tell me. Let me open Eclipse in the meanwhile.
welcome to close you.
Huh? And Sumant, you're saying something?
Close the welcome screen, I'm saying.
Yeah. That is okay. See, this laptop, our bad, does not has that starter. Guys, tell me who may answer. Guys, go to Eclipse Marketplace. I already told how to get the starter option. See, you should start with your starter option only, Spring Starter project only. Okay. This is where most of the guys are troubling. Okay. So you go to help Eclipse Marketplace, write Spring Tool Suite. Okay. Yeah, see, this is a Spring Tool Suite for install that. Okay. So after installing this, your Eclipse will automatically restart, and it will prompt you starter project option. Okay. What is that? Spring Starter project. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Okay, someone just open it. Please share your screen at your end. Guys, I haven't got any answer to my question so far. Jeshi, are you following class?
Yeah.
So can you answer my question at least? Yeah. So go ahead, Sumant. Now tell me. See, my answer to my question is, my component annotation is a combination of all the service, controller, and repository. Okay. So to make clear that, go to controller layer first. Go to controller layer. Okay. Click on control పట్టుకొని రెస్ట్ కంట్రోల్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసాము. Control click. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now click on controller. Click on controller again. Yeah. See, your controller is again something like child of, or it's a combination of component. Okay. Again, controller is an interface. Okay, which has a component. Okay. So your controller is indirectly a component. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you go to service layer, someone. Again, click on service. See, again, your service is also a component. Okay. Okay. Na? And one more, go to repository. Yeah. See. So by this, we can say, whatever the things we are using, they are all childs of, okay, or it's a combination of component. Okay. The REST controller avachchu, service avachchu, and component. Okay. Anything. Okay. So yeah, we can say component is combination of component. Sorry, wait, guys, my screen is visible.
How my sharing my screen?
Oh, you are sharing, acha, acha. Okay, please stop share your screen. Okay, someone, wait, don't stop, don't stop. Just open Notepad. We'll write there only. Yeah. Okay, right. REST controller, at the rate REST controller. Okay, or at the rate service, or at the rate service, or at the rate repository. Bro, recording out. Sorry. Yeah. So these are all annotations internally have component annotation. Okay. Is that clear, guys? Ramakrishna, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Please write the point, Sumat. Copy the point. Now we need to see what is bean annotation. Guys, any idea what is bean annotation? Prashantu, are you able to follow so far?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. See this bean annotation. Okay. Suppose if you want to create explicit bean, ante kada. At that time we need to use bean annotation. Okay. In the application itself, I'll show you how to create an explicit bean. Guys, these are the beans given by the framework: controller bean, service bean, repository bean. But if you want to create explicit bean, okay, then use bean annotation. Okay. Then I see in the application level, I will tell you how to create an explicit bean. Okay. Okay, na? Sumant, can you open Eclipse now? Okay. Now create a new application, Sumant.
Application. Okay.
Start the project. Sumant, wait. Just can you go? Wait. Close this and can you please explain how you are creating, because Jayashree, Prashant, వీళ్ళు ముందు క్లాస్ వినలేదు కదా. Just give some explanation what I told.
Using the Spring Starter project.
Yeah. First,
Yeah.
to get this option, what we did, and okay, just explain some 2 minutes, like in 2 lines.
Okay. We have to go to window and not window, help. In help there is a marketplace.
Eclipse marketplace.
In that we have to search for Spring Starter.
Spring tool suite.
Spring tool suite. Sorry. Then we will get the options like
STS. See, write Spring tool and enter. Okay,
Spring
then
Tools 4 Spring Tool, but we have to download Spring Tools 4, which was already installed in the system. We have to install and we will ask for the restart. After restart, it will be getting downloaded. How to check it is downloaded or not? Like go to file, a new and other options. In this you can type like Spring Starter project. So it is installed successfully.
Guys,
so
you should go for Spring Starter project only. Okay, to create application of Spring Boot. Okay, adanamata. Don't go for Maven project, static project. Okay, these all are which are not related to us. Okay, see, because there are some things like Spring MVC. Okay, Spring Core. Itla chala unnai. Okay, and we are not going through those. Okay, they are outdated. Okay, now we are going for Spring Boot only. Okay, our focus is entirely on Spring Boot. Okay. Okay, just to close this. Yeah, create the project.
give the name.
Bean life cycle, something. No, not sample, just like bean life cycle.
Here type I think
Maven,
right?
yes, Maven.
Java.
Fine.
Artifact, right?
Yes, something. dependencies, whatever the dependencies you want to add. See, it will ask here only, JPA, yes, select that. Guys, please follow. And second one, H2, అవసరం లేదు సుమంత్ ఇక్కడ ఈ అప్లికేషన్ కి అయితే అవసరం లేదు, బట్ ఓకే, take it because if you want again it's an issue, right? And web. Next, just click on next. Finish. Guys, my question here is, I already told how you are adding those dependencies, right? Okay, now who will download the dependencies from where to where? Anyone, guys? I already explained this question in detail in the beginning class. Okay, so Sumant has added the three dependencies, right? So who will download these dependencies from where to where? Wait, Sumant, I want an answer from anyone apart from you, because I know you're very sure on this. Guys, anyone?
స్ట్రింగ్ ఐఓ నుంచి అవుతుందా?
ఏంటండి?
స్ట్రింగ్ ఐఓ నుంచి అవుతాయా డిపెండెన్సీస్?
స్ప్రింగ్ ఐఓనా? నో, స్ప్రింగ్ ఐఓ కాదే కాదు. See, people will think Spring IO. No. Sumant, you?
Yeah, it will download from Maven to class path.
MVN repository to class path. Okay. So if you open Chrome, if you write MVN repository, it is the place where all the repository, all the dependencies will be there. Okay.
Yes.
Can you open Chrome and show them? Guys, this is the question directly asked in Oracle interview. Okay, to me. Directly by the manager round. See, open that. I mean, that only. Yes. MVN Maven repository. Fine. Anything is fine. See, these are all the dependencies. Okay.
Everything will be.
Yes. Search for JPA. Enter. See, open that. Click on that. Spring. Open that. Yes, open that. See, guys. See, open any 3.3.1. See, here you will get all the types of versions also. Okay. See, if you can see there is a text. Okay. So if you don't give while creating a project, you need to copy here and you need to paste explicitly in the form.xml file, and you need to update the project. Okay, na? Guys, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Someone now go to the Eclipse. Yeah, create a project. Type in that.
Yes.
Where is that? See, Sumant, there is something called boot. Okay. So if it is Spring Boot application, it will come. Okay, like that. Okay, boot. Okay.
Yeah. Fine.
Now, okay. First one, open SRC main Java. Just a minute, please. Okay, now I have zoomed the screen. Okay, fine. Now create one package called components on top of demo.
What package?
Dot component. In that component class, create two classes. One is company and second one is client. And both should have annotation at that component on the top. Guys, even though it has a component annotation also, Spring Boot will create a bean in the IOC container. Okay. Control Shift O, yeah.
కంపెనీ ఇంకోటి ఏంటి?
Client.
క్లాస్.
Client. Okay. Now create give some fields, okay? Company ki emuntayi? Company ID, right? And company name and location ante kada. And string location, right? And at the same time, client also will have a client ID and the client name and location, right? Give the
ఐడి లాంగ్ కదా,
huh?
ఐడి లాంగ్ కదా.
No need. We're not doing any system design, right? This is just to illustrate how the bean works and how the bean life cycle actually. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay. Now what we'll do? Have two constructors, one in company, two default constructors. Okay, both classes.
Yeah.
Just to create a constructors. What are you doing? No. Just normal default constructors. ఎందుకు అంత అవసరం లేదా? Just construct. Open the parentheses. Cover base. Yeah. Right. I am in company constructor. System.out.println. I am in company constructor. The same way client also.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Do control S. Okay, guys. So Sumanta, open notepad now. So the first step of the bean creation is the bean life cycle is application start. Right? Application start. No, just write application start. So once the application start,
Application start.
yeah, then write an arrow. No, అదంతా అవసరం లేదు. Okay. Go for second step. IOC container started. So how to illustrate అంటే how to show you practically అంటే IOC container started అయ్యింది లేదు. Just run the application. Eclipse, go to Eclipse. Run, yeah, right click and run as Spring Boot. Guys, while running, please run as Spring Boot app only, okay? Don't worry about remaining options. As the time comes, I will explain everything, okay? Fine. Yeah. Okay. Now go up in that logs only, go up. Akada, wait. Just see, akada మీరు అక్కడ చూస్తే starting starting bean life cycle. Yes. Okay, see, starting bean life cycle and మీరు కిందకు వస్తే initializing Spring embedded web application context. Yes, see, yeah. So that line meaning is, so web application context is nothing but your initializing web application context means you're starting an IOC container. That is the internal meaning of that. Okay, guys. Sumant, you paste that line in the notepad. Sumant, you paste
Yes,
you paste that line in the notepad.
Which line? This line?
Yeah. Notepad, yeah. So no, no, that is, don't make it as a point three. Just that is point two only. Yeah, that is explanation. Okay. So IOC container started means initializing Spring, and whenever you see the line initializing Spring embedded web application context means it will internally start IOC container on it. Okay, you need to understand in that way. Okay, right?
Okay.
Now you go to the Eclipse. Wait, here only. Wait. In notepad only. Write construct bean. That is the third step. Construct bean. అంటే Spring framework internally scans whoever is having the component or component type of annotations. అంటే directly component or the guy internally REST controller service and repository. They are also nothing but component annotations only, which I showed in the beginning of the class, right? So whosoever having these annotations, framework will create bean or object in the IOC container. Okay, guys, the third step is clear. Guys, is my third step clear?
Repeat again.
చెప్తున్నాను. So in the third step, whosoever classes having the annotations, component, service, repository, or REST controller. Okay, framework will create bean or object in the IOC container. Okay,
Okay.
okay na? So can you document the line what I just told, or I will write no, or else I will give in the chat box. Okay. Hello? Sumanta, whosoever has the annotations of component, I pinged in the chat box. Framework internally create bean or object. Okay. Okay, so no issue. I'll tell at my end. Yeah. So guys, so whosoever, so in the in the chat box, I pinged you guys. So whosoever has the annotations, okay, of the component or type of the component, the framework internally creates a bean of those classes. Guys, is that clear? Sumant, Prashant, Jayshi, guys, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, other matter. Okay, that is the third step. Okay. Okay, ఇదన్నమాట. This is the step 3. So to illustrate, to demonstrate the step 3 practically, అంటే మనకి if you want to know, if you want to see how the bean create అయిందా లేదా అంటే చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి I gave a constructor, right? While creating a bean, it is also an object of constructor, right, guys? Sorry, it is also an object, right, internally. Guys, is my third point is clear? So constructing bean. Okay, first one, the point one is application start. Application start. Okay, that will do, that we will do. And second one is IOC container starting. Yes, IOC container start. And third one is, see, IOC container start means initializing embedded web application context, right? Web embedded context. Antena? Next, construct bean means if you want to see practically, so whenever your framework is creating a bean which is internally an object, so your constructor of that class will be invoked. Okay, in the Sumant console, if you see, oh, I'm not sharing my screen, huh? Guys, am I sharing my screen?
No.
Yeah. Guys, can you see my screen now? At least.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the third point, okay? See, construct bean, whosoever, okay, na? This point is clear, guys. Hello? Guys, if my third point is clear. Clear, huh? Now the fourth point is injecting dependencies. Okay. So injecting dependencies. Okay. So the framework will scan by using reflection concept. The framework will scan all the variables whosoever variable having annotation auto void. Okay. The framework internally finds the bean of that class and it will inject it to it. Okay, like how the object is created. Okay, like here. So the company is having the client C at the rate auto while at the rate auto while the framework internally injects to the C. Okay, of the client object. See, the client already having annotation of component. So because of that reason, your framework will create a bean of the client in the IOC container. And once in the fourth step, once it finds the auto-valid annotation, the framework will inject those dependencies to the client. Guys, is that clear? Fourth point. Hello, guys, is that clear? Guys, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, na? Guys, please respond now because I can't proceed ahead, right? Okay. Now we have 4 more steps after injecting. Okay, if Sumant is up, or else I need to create an application. So the next one is at the rate post construct. So the construct is happen at the rate post construct. Okay, and sixth one using the bean.
నా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయగలను.
Wait, because we have only our time is up. So we'll cover these points. We'll cover this next 4 steps in next class. 7, pre-destroy. This means before destroying an IOC container. And eighth one, being destroyed. Last step. Guys, we'll see, we have done with the 4 steps of the bean life cycle. Okay. Bean life cycle, and we have discussed about what are the ways to create a bean. So tomorrow I will I will explain how to create exit bean and remaining 4 steps also. Okay, na? Guys, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay,
One small note.
Yeah.
ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే ఎలా చెప్పాలి? బీన్ కి పోజో కి డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? అదే
I'll tell you. See, don't bean is, see, Pojo is a simple plain. Pojo means plain old Java object, which is a simple class. Okay, every class, every Java class is called Pojo, except there will be some exceptions. Every Java class is a Pojo. Okay, na? Okay. Bean means an object which is created by the framework, not by ourselves. Okay. So every Java class is a Pojo class. Sumant, Prashant. Okay.
Okay.
And I will tell, okay, in detail about these things also. Okay, but I'm going step by step. Okay, please wait till that point. Okay.
యా. నో. నువ్వు అడిగావు కదా స్టార్టింగ్, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ మాకు అడిగావు కదా.